Xbox Game Bar, missing or not working on Windows 11 or 10. Here's how to install or reinstall it easily. Solution 1. Install Xbox Game Bar from the Microsoft Store. Open your browser. Copy the link from the video description. Paste it into the address bar and press Enter. Once the page opens, click on Install. Then click on Open. Now you'll be able to access and adjust your Xbox Game Bar settings easily. Solution 2. Download and install Xbox app. Open your browser again. Copy the second link from the video description. Paste it into the address bar and hit Enter. Click on Download the app. When prompted, click on Save. Once the download finishes, click on the folder icon to open the file location. Double-click on the setup file to begin installation. Click Yes when asked for permission. Wait for the update process to complete. That's it. The Xbox Game Bar and app should now be working without any issues. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.